Ayun. So earlier today, I attempted to do a Pancit Canton um, video. Sayang kasi turned out that the camera, the video that I was using, did not support a microphone. So wala siyang wala siyang wala siyang boses. Mukha akong tanga. So right now, bawi tayo. Gawa tayo ulit ng video. What we're doing right now is pang merienda. I have here a medium-sized red onion. We're gonna slice this. We're slicing it now. So sayang yung video kanina kasi meron pa namang tip. But ulitin natin yung tip kasi magbabalat tayo ng mga onions. Kailangan natin ng a little trash bin. Yung trash bin natin, importante ito dito sa place na to kasi once a week lang dumadating yung basurero na if you do not take care of your nabubuloks, the biodegradables, you would end up having langaw everywhere. So I thought of every time I cook, I'm using this with a small plastic labo. Tapos lahat ng mga basura, dyan ko nalalagay. Tapos I tied that tightly. Tapos nilalagay ko ulit sa isang plastic para protected siya. Right now, I'm chopping the onions. Pinakamaliit. We're doing a tuna sandwich. Merienda, pag nagugutom ka lang. Si mom, yung mom ko laging may bread yan sa bahay. Kasi para pag nagugutom ka tapos wala kang pagkain, kain ka ng bread. So isa yan sa mga natutunan ko sa nanay ko. Dapat lagi kang may bread sa bahay. And thank God for Dali, meron tayong bread. Dali, grandioso. Grandioso, this wheat bread, isang loaf siya. And the tuna that we're using is also from Dali. It's Sea Point. So yan, na-chop na natin yung onions. Kuha tayong lalagyan. Tabi muna natin to dahil wala na tayong gagamitin dyan. Basta, we want this dry. We want this dry. Really dry. So we wipe it with tissue. Tapos may trash can ako dito sa gilid. Para sa mga hindi nabulok. Ditch mo lang doon. Tapos lagay mo dito yung chinap mo na onions. Wala na tayong i-chop. So yan na lang. What we're gonna do is just mix this all up together. I have here our Sea Point corn tuna. Si Vanya is nagugulong din. Ano kami yung kinain kanina. We have here our it's easy open. Parang siya San Marino, but it's not as puno. It's not as puno. And 6 pesos difference sa price. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. So, ganito lang yan. Lalagay mo lang yung pagsasama-samahin mo lang siya para pag nagugutom ka, meron kang makakain. Ayan. Ganyan. Sama-sama lang siya. Tapos another tip, after mo ma-empty yung can, what I do is rinse this can. I would rinse this can, take off all yung mga tira-tira niya dyan sa loob. Para pag tinapon mo, hindi siya mabaho. Another tip yun. When you're living on your own, kailangan mo pass ka ng konti. Lagyan natin ng garlic powder to. I love garlic powder. I like this garlic powder. Buti na lang meron siya sa Dali. Kasi hindi siya nagbubuo-buo na mabilis. As of course, we add in a little salt. Okay lang. Just a pinch. A pinch. And I have our pepper. Wait, where's my pepper? Yung pepper ko, lahat ng grocery ko is mostly coming from Dali. Loyal Dali. Kasi doon lang naman kahit kamuhin eh. So, I like this kasi paunti-unti lang siya. I have here. I want more pepper. Siguro, yung ganitong kaliit na pepper, I can use it only twice. Tapos I have cheese here. This is mozzarella and cheddar. This is also from Dali. Oh, why are you crying? Yeah. Yung tira. Tapos, ito hindi to galing sa Dali. Galing to sa basket ni Mayor. From Makati pa to. Dinala ko siya from Makati. Basket ni Mayor Binay. Salamat Mayor Binay dahil meron isang malaking mayonnaise akong magagamit. Siguro 1 year ko na ito gagamitin. This is real mayonnaise. Just enough. Let's mix mo na together. Tapos meron ka ng cheesy tuna spread. We'll make it more cheesier. Kasi meron tayo ditong cheese spread. This is also from Dali. Cheese spread from Dali. So cheesy tuna sandwich. So easy meal prep. Pero this would already last for ilang araw na. Siguro mga for me 1 day. I'll have this for dinner later. Ayan. So that's your cheesy tuna sandwich spread. Kain na! Sarap. Mix mo pa. Okay. That's your cheesy tuna sandwich spread. Tignan natin. Sarap. Yeah. Add a little more. Gusto ko kasi may bite. May bite talaga. Add a little more pepper. Ayan na. That's your tuna sandwich spread. Cheesy tuna sandwich spread for today. Ayan. So, clean up. Natang kalat. Itabi. Wash this para hindi bumaho. Rinse it para lang mawala yung mga tira-tira niya doon. Tapos, use a small trash bin pag nagtatrabaho kayo para hindi makalat. See? Malinis. Pwede mo din lagyan ito ng ham. I have some lettuce here. I have some lettuce here. And I have some carrot. And I have some tomato. Red na yung tomato. Parang it's time for it to be sliced and put on a sandwich. Yan. Ang sandwich na yan. Yum, yum, yum. I also got this pala. This is kanina sa Dali. This is on sale. Buy one, take one. 125 for 2. May ube, jam ka na. Sarap. We're done. Enjoy cooking for one. Preparing food for one. Kasi kaya naman. Di ba? Masarap. Yum, 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 yum.